Hello friends, in this short video we are going to discuss Allen keynote comparative symptom. We will compare cough symptom in this lecture. The very first, cough ameliorate by drinking cold water, medicine cuprum metallicum and causticum. Cough aggravated by drinking cold water, medicine spongia. Cough on expiration, aconite, causticum. Cough on inspiration or inhalation, we have medicine spongia. Cough going from warm to cold room, then the medicine is phosphorus. और इसका जो रिवर्स होता है वो ब्राइनिया एल्बा में होता है. That is cough aggravation entering a warm room, medicine is brainia alba. And cough going from warm to cold, then the medicine is phosphorus. Cough dry, nocturnal, spasmodic, aggravation when lying down, relieved by sitting up, medicine hyoscyamus. So the hyoscyamus cough is dry and nocturnal. Cough aggravation lying down after midnight, then the medicine is drosera. Drosera में एक और सिम्टम है, cough in the children begin as soon as head touches pillow at night, medicine is drosera. Cough as soon as the head touches the pillow, a spasmodic paroxysm of cough set in, medicine is क्रोटोन टेल. तो ड्रॉसेरा में क्या है कि जैसे ही हेड पिलो को टच करेगा नाइट के टाइम पे. ओके, तो दिस इज़ द मेडिसिन फॉर कफ. थैंक यू.